Hey guys, it's me, Ballnight Gamer, and before I start this video, I just want to make an announcement. Right now, what I'm doing, I'm gonna go on my app called Zelgi, which you can find different ringtones for your phone, and I think you should go get it. It's pretty cool. And and right now I'm gonna show you some Undertale ones because I'm pretty obsessed with Undertale right now. And there's Deadpool. I'm pretty obsessed with Undertale right now, and if you haven't played the game, I suggest that you click off this video right now because I'm gonna do some. We're gonna look at some of the themes for the songs for the characters. And I'm pretty sure you don't want any spoilers, so you should click off this video right now to go play it for yourself. And let's start the video. Snowden. Very classic, please. That's the bold. Good wave. That sounds very bad. Showtime. Oh, it's Metaton. Oh, dang it. Shit, a hotel. What do you mean, hotel? Oh. Here's some of my favorite characters. Guys, if you want me to continue the series, I'll go through the whole list of the Undertale themes, and it'll be really cool, and I guess you guys will like it. So, let's just continue. Okay, Metaton, you take forever. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is Flowey. No, I'm not gonna say it. Like I said, if you haven't played the game, you should click off this video. And if you have played the game, well, I'll just say it anyways. At the beginning of the game, I'm pretty sure if you that you have seen it, because that's the first part of the game. Anyway, Flowey pretends to be like someone that cares about you, and he's really a butt. I want you to my spider-man. Wait, doesn't that kind of sound like Muffet's theme? If you haven't gotten that far, let me try to find Muffet. Oh, the person y'all know and love. Oh, spaghetti baby. I don't know why I calmed down. I just called spaghetti baby. It's my favorite, guys. Guys, anyway, wait, why is the pirate still going? Let's play. Guys, there's actually two parts for Undertale. You can go on the Genesis run, which is, I'm pretty sure you don't want to go on the Genesis run the first time. The first time that you go on this, that you play Undertale, because I suppose you go on the Mercy run, which the Mercy one is, I think it's Pacifist run. I don't know. Can you leave it down in the comments, you Undertale experts? If you know the Pacifist run, I think that's what it's called for the Mercy run. The Mercy run is where you spread mercy to everybody, and you can't fight them. Unless you fight Asgore, where you have to fight him. And then when he gets to his last hit, you have to spare them to get a good ending, and it's really emotional. When I saw the last part of the ending, I cried so much because it was so sad. I'm not going to say what happens because I don't want to be a spoilers, even though for some of the people that have played half of the game and only know up to where you meet Muffet, which is a Spider Woman. Spider. Smells like Spider-Man. She is an actual spider, really. And I guess if you only gone up when you meet Sans and his brother, so yeah. Oh, the final. Oh, I love the final. Oh, the final was so good. Some of you already probably know that it happens every time. Date? Oh, what did you call on the date? I know. Tim Village. Hi, I'm Tom. They sound so adorable. Oh my gosh, Tim sounds so adorable. Oh, I don't like the game over. Yeah! Oh, I wish you don't have to fight Sans in that one. The dummy, I love this one. Wait, doesn't it almost sound like exactly like Next to Blue? And it also sounds like Muppet. Doesn't it? Because we covered Next to Blue. If you go back, we saw the one for the second ringtone. We saw that it was Next to Blue, and it was Next to Blue. It kind of sounds like Next to Blue. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let's go to the dog. Doog. 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 Oh my gosh. This video. What is this? I don't know this part of the game. The Undertail game over. We already covered that. Oh my gosh. Guys, I actually have that as my ringtone. Guys, if you hear voices from the background, that's just the TV and this freaking dang TDM on right now. Which is, I don't really watch a lot of it. I just watch it sometimes. Don't judge me. See, that's what I was talking about, Muffet. I'll just wait to the part. Because it gets to a certain beat of the theme. See, right there is the part that I thought that it sounds exactly like this. Look. Well, I don't think it actually sounds like that. It gets to a certain part where it almost sounds like Muffet's theme. Like right there. Because in her theme it has like a little bit, like the same thing that just happened a 1 second ago. Like that, that's what I was thinking. Timmy. Oh my gosh, the Tim shop. Send him to college. So adorable. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this. I think that's when you get to the Ezreal battle, which that's on the Mercy run. You'll get to see all these awesome battles, and you get to know. See, guys, here's the thing. You shouldn't go on the Mercy run. You shouldn't go on the Genesis run, which is you kill everything that gets in your way, because you don't get to know the characters. And if you go on the Mercy run after, they won't trust you because they kind of know. And it's kind of weird. They know. And it's just weird. So I suggest that if you played Undertail, that you have gone into the Mercy run and before the Pacifist run. I mean Justice run. I got confused with those. That's next to Blue. We already heard all these battles. I mean, games. Alphys. Alphys is a little nerd. Oh, I love Alphys. She reminds me of my friend Puppy Lover, because they both like anime for some reason. I don't know why. True than fiction. Truer than fiction. Oh my gosh, guys. I love this one. It made me cry. Oh my gosh. The memory. Oh, it's so sad. It makes me cry. Oh my gosh. This made me cry before. Oh my gosh. So sorry. Oh, still so sorry. From I don't know when. Undying. I think that's on the Genesis ring or the Muslim ring. I don't know. I forgot. Guys, I'm putting this as my ringtone real quick. I'm gonna play while I'm doing it. Oh, now we have to start all the way from the beginning, guys. I'm so sorry about that. I got so caught up in it. Oh, they're loading. I think we went too far. Yeah, we went too far. We went too far now. Okay, here we are. Oh, it's a mix of all of them. Oh no. Oh no, 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 not WD Gaster. I almost said Gaster. I love memory. I love memory. Drop pop. I love this. The core? I don't like the core, really. Tim gets money. Oh, sorry about that, guys. His theme. That's what the theme is called when you get after the Ezreal battle, when you save all of them, and it's really emotional. And it gets really emotional, and it's really sad, and I almost cried at the end of it, guys. It was so sad. Well, I was crying, actually. Memory so emotion. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm looking at all the memories. It's just, I love them all. Falling down. Oh, that's when you fall down. Oh my god. Can you guys guess whose theme this is? Hopes and Save the World. I actually have it as my ringtone too, guys. That's really weird. I miss you. Asgore. See, it sounds like exactly like Toriel, the one who saves you. And I could play that one because I did already, but it's raining. Well, I think we're gonna stop it there, guys, because there's a lot more, and I don't want to go through all of them for one thing. If you guys want me to continue this, I will. Or I'll try to find different ringtones for other ones. And bye.